Good job I had that off up there. I think I was just to the side. Fucking swag. Oh, he keeps finding every fucking deep cover and covering. Hey, don't worry, it's not like this cover went through a little back, but he can't contact it. He only understands one thing, and it's that. Into the darkness.
Right, mate?
Yeah, no problem. Luckily, I leant it against the tree.
Oh, well done. Work your way across here.
Where are we going now?
That direction. Get out there. Okay, pick your route. Right.
I think they're rather slippery these.
They're very slippy. So you've got to have your feet down and paddle. There you go. Right, so straight away, if you set off from there, you're going to be sliding on that tree. So what you do in a situation like that is lift your bike up and out the trouble. Now get on it. You point your way to Mick, look at the exit and keep the bike going. Keep your feet down.
Yep. If you told him I'll come around that side.
I've got it. Ain't going nowhere, son.
I think,
I'm going to sort your trousers out, mate.
Yeah, I know, it's restricting my movement somewhat.
Right.
I got it.
On we go then. Come on now, keep your feet down this time.
I was getting a bit cocky there, I dropped it twice now. Whew!
Jack,
Maybe I should move it out of the way. I think we could all do going that way.
going down there next.
Oh.
You alright, Jim Paul?
Yeah. I just laid it down.
Move up a bit. Is it good on your back?
Hey?
Is it good on your back? Is the
Right.
camera okay?
Oh, no.
Is the camera okay?
That's the main thing. Fucking them branches are slippy.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, he told me go a different way, you know, because of the roof, the angle.
Phew.
Hot now.
Again. The official photographer.
Down, boys.
When you're doing this kind of riding, really cement them feet on the floor. They are the key in here. Get sat on the seat, nice and calm, and walk it through. So we're going to drop down here now. and exit where we just come through. See, little bike does us proud in here, doesn't it? Keep down, try and really resist revving it, keep the revs down, then it'll find the grip.
Camera on back.